Hello guys, welcome to my channel and also welcome to my new series about how to earn money from Fiverr within the very next day. Means if you know the way you can make the money from the next day, it's very easy. You don't need any good skill or you don't need any working experience. I will show you the exact way from where you can earn and from also the source from where you can deliver the service to the client. Okay, I know you saw my thumbnail and then click on the ads and click on my videos, and now you are listening my speech. So as I know, I am pretty sure you know about Fiverr. Okay, so I will discuss little more about Fiverr within very short time. I will not take a huge time. I will take a very short time. So let's see what is Fiverr. Okay, so you all know Fiverr is a platform where any buyer from the world can take any service from any seller. So we will work as a seller and buyer will order from us and we will deliver the service. Okay, now the thing is, let's see on the Fiverr dashboard. Before going to this, I am telling you I will length my video length will be 3 minutes or 3 something, not more than 4 minutes. So every day I will update all the series about Fiverr, the secret way to earn the money from the very next day after receiving the video. Okay, so please listen every speech carefully. There's lot of option, lot of ways to earn money from Fiverr. See all the sector: logo and brand identity, gaming, art and illustration, web and app design, social media, packaging and covers, visual design, agriculture, or sorry, architecture and building design. You know, all here is lot of options. This is in graphics and design, this is digital marketing, this is writing and translation, this is about the video and animation, music, audio, programming, business, lifestyle, trending. Okay, so if you want to earn from Fiverr, there is lot of seller or lot of trainer in market will give you a brief knowledge, like you should earn, you should learn too many things, you should be skilled fast. But my theory is, if you don't have any skill, if you are new, completely new, you can also earn from Fiverr without gathering any knowledge, with gathering any skill. Okay, so how? I will upload a video in every next day about the way how you can make the money from Fiverr without zero skill from the very next day. Thank you for subscribing my channel and viewing my channel. Please stay connected and check all my videos. Click on the subscribe button, also the bell icon, so you will get the next update from tomorrow in the very first time. Okay, thank you for your nice time.